Here I have CUBOT X30, and today I'm going to show you how to change keyboard language on this device. So first of all, go to settings. Next you have to go to the system section, language and input, virtual keyboard, Gboard, languages, and then add keyboard. Here you can see the whole list of languages which you can type in on this device. As you can see, it's pretty enormous. And let's select, for example, some beautiful language, for example Arabic, Algeria, and then tap done. Let's try to type something in Arabic language, and as you can see, here I have Arabic keyboard, and now I can type in Arabic language on this device. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.